Okay, so on this one, we're just going to try and look at another method. So there's another method of solving problems. That method, brute force. So brute force, as it suggests, is you just apply a lot of force to something. And what we're going to do in this case is we'll try all options. So try every option. So we'll try every option until we find the best option, and that could well entail us trying every single option that there is. Certainly, if you're finding a route or something like that, you need to try every single option to make sure that you've got the absolute best option to do. Sometimes brute force is also used as an attack, so it's sometimes called brute force attack. And you can attack a problem, but you can also attack something like a pin number. So if you had a pin number, let's say that was the pin number. It's not my pin number, by the way, but let's just say that's a pin number. It's 4 digits. If you tried all the options, there's approximately 10,000 options to try. Now that's a lot of options if you've got a piece of paper and a pen, but for a computer that's not many options really. They can try lots of options because they can do many billions of operations a second, so we could try lots of options until we find the right one on a brute force attack. So brute force, it's got some problems. So the main problem is the time it might take. So um, it could take a long time if you've got a big map to find a way. So on a satellite navigation system, for example, there are loads of different options. So if I wanted to go from one place, let's say this is Leicester, and I want to go to London, then there are loads and loads of routes that I could go in this case. I mean, our sat nav might choose a route for us, and it will probably be a good route, but it might not be the best one because trying every single route would mean I'd have to try routes that are via Scotland, which is obviously the wrong direction from London, and Wales, and all sorts of other routes that I'd have to try to find every route in a brute force attack. So that would take a very long time. So that's where heuristic methods come in. And in the next video, we're going to look at heuristic methods.